Ni wabici nene cia ministry ya migunda nyumba-ini ya Ardhi House guku Nairobi kuria kiriro na gutangika gutathiraga kuri ya Kenya magikinyia kuo kuma ituri ciothe cia bururi niguo kwimathira kihonia kigie migunda yao. Riu mitangiko ino ya Kenya kirie gukinya muthia kumana na ikinya ria ministry ya migunda ria kwagirithia mutambo wa kiriu uria Kenya marikinyagira kuhitukira ardhisasa.lands.go.ke na kwimathira motungata ta kugereka mwene mugunda kana search, ucenjio wa mwene mugunda, kumatha mubango wa mugunda kana plan, kumatha taito gatagati ka motungata mangi maigi.
All the departments of Ministry of Lands were working independently. And officers would spend years, even months, writing letters to each other about, give me this document, I want the survey plan, I want the valuation report. It took years. That is why that customer was waiting from 2004. But in this system, an officer sitting on their computer can access any record they want.
Kurigana na Minister wa migunda Farida Karonei, riu county igirikirie kurekerera hari wikiri wa title mitambo-ini ya kiriu, undu uri utarie kurekerera muthiini wa mwaka ukite hari county ciothe.
Murang'a will soon be digital because we are in Murang'a now. But we have adopted a strategy of simultaneous processing. So we are going to put several registries online simultaneously. I don't think it is realistic to expect that the mess we have created over 60 years can be resolved in a short 5 years. It is impossible. But we have started the journey, we have laid the foundation. We think we have laid a very strong foundation, and we think that subsequent administrations will build on the foundation that we have created.
Ningĩ Karonei ni arutĩire mukana kuri aria megwatĩire taito na njĩra cia Google makiria hari migunda ya muingi. Riu akiranĩra ati mubango uyu ndũgĩtĩkĩria taito ciothe ciegwatĩirwo migunda-ini ya muingi, uguo taito ici igĩtanywo gũkanjwo.
So this platform is built to force compliance with two documents: the Constitution of Kenya 2010 and the relevant sector laws. If whatever parcel of land you are trying to transact in does not demonstrate fidelity to those documents, the Constitution and the sector laws, then it will not be uploaded onto this platform.
Ningĩ minister uyu ni eranire gutigirira haho ya gukumia ministry-ini ino ni akinya muthia guku wa Kenya othe makigwatira migunda yao hatari wagarari wa ihoto ciao.
If you have a title document which is registered in your name but belongs to the public, that particular title document will never be on our platform.
Kuhitukira cikaro ici cia mwanya cia ukinyaniria iria rirungura ministry ya migunda, riu Mukenya ni arikoragwo na handu ha kuhura thimu mathaa 24 hari o muthenya niguo guteithĩrĩrio hari mathina matiganite ma migunda. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, ritwa rĩakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.